We are the New Mexico Baptist Disaster Relief. We are part of a nationwide organization, the Southern Baptist Disaster Relief. We're entirely a volunteer organization, and our local churches support our efforts with supplying whatever food we might need for volunteers or resources, whatever we might need, so that we can come and volunteer. Well, what we're trying to do is help people that have had water in their homes, that have water is intruded in their homes, because then we will help them get their homes in a situation where they can rebuild. We go in and tear out the sheetrock at least a foot above the water level, and then after we've removed all the debris and torn out the sheetrock, we then use a product we call Shockwave that treats all of the studs and the floors so that mold won't grow thereafter. It makes the home safe for rebuilding. Right now we're set up at the First Baptist Church in Anthony, so they could walk in at any time. We are also having volunteers at the Vado Community Center some days, not all days. So you can walk in there, either one of those places, and we'll take an intake, get basic information from you. And through that process, we'll be able to tell you whether what has happened to your home is something we can help with or something that's beyond our abilities. Because we can't rebuild the homes, we can just make them safe. Certainly, this drive is sponsored by the Gadsden Independent School District, as well as Doña Ana County and the City of Las Cruces. We're actually added on just because we knew that they were doing this event, and they're providing resources to the families that have been affected, food and trying to get them connected with other resources to help them get back in their homes.